Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today in this video I like to share you guys Realme 16 Pro used device unboxing after 4 months. I am Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. So first of all talk about the box content. We get one soft case, some papers, then one USB Type-C cable, one SIM ejector tool and 80-watt fast adapter, and this is our Realme 16 Pro. So first of all talk about the phone design and the build quality. Design wise, Realme 16 Pro, I really like the phone design, especially the smartphone new camera module. The smartphone built with glass in the front, silicon polymer in the back and also plastic frame. Moving to the display, the phone comes with 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with 144Hz refresh rate with HDR10 Plus support, and the phone peak brightness is 6500 nits, and the good side is the panel is 1.5K resolution, and the security wise the phone comes with under display optical fingerprint scanner and face unlock. On the performance sector, the smartphone comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Max processor with 8 and 12 GB RAM with UFS 3.1, and the software wise the phone running Realme UI 7.0 with Android 16, and the smartphone also offer you 3 major Android updates. Moving to the camera section, the phone comes with a dual camera setup, 200 megapixel main sensor with dual pixel and 8 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel single selfie camera. So first of all talk about the video quality. The smartphone main camera and selfie camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080p 30, 60, 120 fps slow-mo video with HDR and EIS and also OIS, and this is the video sample. Now talk about the picture quality. The depth photo are very good. All the images have a lot of details and also sharpness. And very soon this smartphone long-time camera review coming our channel. So make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. And this is the night photography experience. Overall the camera quality are very decent. And the smartphone good side is the phone powered by 6500 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging supported. Okay, that's all about our short unboxing and review, and the long review coming our channel very soon. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, that's all about today video. See you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.